Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your assets around, like withdrawing USDT from Gemini to your Coinbase wallet. This is a straightforward process, but it's always good to double-check the steps to avoid any hiccups. Today, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can do this confidently and securely. First things first, make sure both your Gemini and Coinbase wallet accounts are fully verified. In 2025, exchanges like Gemini have tightened security, so double-check that your accounts are linked to a valid ID and two-factor authentication is enabled. This helps protect your funds from any potential threats. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account. Once you're in, navigate to the Withdraw or Transfer section, usually found in the Wallet or Funds area. Select USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Remember, USDT is a stablecoin, so it should be listed prominently. Next, you'll need to enter the destination address. This is crucial. Copy and paste your Coinbase wallet address directly from the Coinbase app to avoid any typos. In 2025, Gemini might have updated interfaces, so look for options like External Wallet and paste that address there. Also, specify the amount of USDT you want to withdraw, but always leave a little buffer for network fees. Before you hit confirm, review everything carefully. Check the network. USDT on Gemini is typically on the Ethereum network, so ensure your Coinbase wallet is set up for that. Once you're sure, confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the transfer should process within a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. After initiating the withdrawal, head over to your Coinbase wallet app. Monitor the transaction status there. If everything goes smoothly, your USDT should appear in your wallet shortly. Pro tip: keep an eye on any fees. In 2025, these can vary, so use Gemini's fee estimator to plan ahead. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw USDT from Gemini to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. If you run into any issues, reach out to customer support on either platform. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.